Welcome to the prediction video of the trade setups that I have for this week. This week is a little bit lighter of a week, so I only have 4. None of this is financial advice. These are just my trades that I'm taking. This is only for entertainment purpose. With that said, the first trade is Occidental. The ticker symbol is OXY with an entry at 58.65, stop loss at 70.31, target is 40.45. So not a huge profit, but I just want to kind of show this absolutely mega level. So here, let's go back out to 2 weeks. Yeah. All right. So I mean, pretty straight up count to the upside. I do think it might, like, I'm not exactly sure it's overall one, like it might be an A, B, C and the whole thing's coming down, or this could be like a 1, it comes back down for a 2 and then it fires off for a 3. I don't really care. Both of the counts that I have go down. And so this is the flag that I want to be trading. So the plan for this one is I'm going to get in as soon as market opens. Well, probably I'll wait a little bit just to let everything kind of settle in and then get in, let this thing ride. And I am only looking for, might be like an A, a C. So this is my initial. So if it gets kind of close, I'll probably get out and not ride it all the way down. And then if it comes back up, I can probably re-enter and then have it come back down. This is my favorite count. So this trade is kind of ready to go as is. All right, so this is the Kraft Heinz company. This one is a little bit confusing. So I do think that this whole thing is in a triangle. Like if you kind of look at this, do that, and it's obviously like super rough, but yeah, so I think the take profit has to be within these bounds. So I'm just looking for just a super tight ricochet, and then if it breaks, I'll kind of figure out what to do after that. Yeah, I mean, entry for this one is 39, stop loss is 41, target is 33. So some pretty good numbers there. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple. I really like the flag, and then if it comes up, I'm not expecting it to break anything, so I shouldn't need the craziest moves in order to get to my target. So this one I think is a pretty good setup, and I will be popping it on as soon as it comes up into the area. All right, and so this is SBUX. This one is pretty high risk, I would say. So if we go out to the 1 week, that's kind of where this whole thing starts. Might be a little bit farther out, but we're going to stick. So here we got this flag right here. Okay, so that's our 2 of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, which I believe is our A. Okay, so that would look like where you got your A, your B, which I thought could go up here, and it still can. Like obviously it doesn't have to follow any of this, and then your C would kind of match your A. So you'd have a nice little channel that it would fall into. Right now, there is a lot. So back on the daily, there is a lot. So this is my flag in my area right here. However, there is a lot of gaps that have to be filled. So a ton of buying pressure to the downside. So I think this one is going to take quite some time to get figured out. Don't take any short time frame trades. But yeah, this one you can wait for. Obviously, the best thing to do would be wait for a break, then come back up, and then have it go back down. Okay, that would be the smart thing to do. Okay, and I'm not doing that. I am immediately taking this drop. I'm going to try to catch the initial drop. Hopefully, it goes all the way down here. So I kind of got caught on a couple of these this week. If you watch my the trade log, or what I call it, the trade journal video, you'll know that I got caught doing a couple of these. So I'm gonna do it again just because I really like the count. I like the wave that is completed, and I am looking for the downside. So yeah, I am going to throw this one on. It is higher risk. All these are kind of higher risk against trend, but not against count. So I will leave this one on. All right, and kind of a no-brainer is this one right here, which is the Royal Caribbean Cruises. And whoops, so this one I caught the top of it right here, and that's kind of why like everything's responding to the flags where they're at. So this is kind of the deal right now. I did kind of call what was going on. This one was from the top area, and another one is forming. So I am going to drop a trade on this one at open, just because I think this one's going to kind of fall like crazy. We are, if you look, kind of zoom out, we are in kind of a triangle. So just a heads up on that this might need to break in order to continue to the target. So just a heads up on that. But other than that, it is a pretty solid trade. The entry I am taking is at 62 with stop loss at 68 and a target at 43. So these are my trades for this week. I do believe we got some winners. So yeah, we'll kind of see how it plays out.